In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix common issues with Adobe Acrobat by taking you through a series of reliable troubleshooting steps. We'll focus on resolving problems like missing or corrupted DLLs, protected mode restrictions, and incorrect installation paths. If one solution doesn't work for you, just move on to the next one until the problem is resolved. Let's start with the first and often most effective fix, repairing the installation of Adobe Acrobat. This is a straightforward process. Begin by opening the Windows Control Panel, or if you prefer, you can use the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Once there, locate Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Reader in the list of installed programs. You'll want to choose the option that says Repair or Repair Installation, and then simply follow the on-screen prompts. Once that's done, don't forget to restart your computer and give Acrobat another try. This step is particularly helpful if your issue stems from missing or corrupted core DLLs. Next, we have an option that requires a bit of caution, disabling protected mode. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat, navigate to the Edit menu, then Preferences, and find your way to Security, Enhanced. Here you'll see an option called Enable Protected Mode at Startup. Unchecking this option, as well as Enhanced Security, if available, may help. After doing so, click OK and restart Acrobat. A quick tip, you can also try opening the menu within Acrobat, scrolling down to find Repair Installation, and clicking Yes to proceed. However, before you proceed with disabling any security features, please note that this step reduces your software's security. If you find this step resolves your issue, consider re-enabling it after testing or only use it in a trusted environment. Now, let's check on where your software is installed. It's crucial that Adobe Acrobat is installed on your local system drive, not a network share or mapped drive. If it's not, you should go ahead and reinstall it to your system drive. Once you've reinstalled it, remember to reboot your computer and try launching Acrobat again. If repairing and adjusting settings haven't solved the issue, it's time to consider a full reinstallation of Acrobat. First, you'll need to uninstall it completely. You can do this via Programs and Features in your control panel, or use the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool if a standard uninstall seems stubborn. Then download the latest installer directly from Adobe and conduct a clean installation. Don't forget to reboot your system once more and then attempt to launch Acrobat. Finally, let's not overlook other potential conflicts. Make sure no antivirus or security software is blocking Acrobat or any of its components, like DLLs. Running Acrobat as an administrator might help. Just right-click the Acrobat shortcut and choose the option to run as administrator. If the software still doesn't work, you might want to temporarily disable your security software during a fresh install to rule out any interference. These steps should cover most common issues you might encounter. Thanks for watching and good luck with your troubleshooting.